Hello, welcome to month 9 of Dolly Mixtures. Can you believe we're just about 3/4 of the way through our block of the month? And this month we've got 3 blocks to make. And this is the Mod Triangles block, and then the Love Hearts block, which is these two, and the half square triangles. So the Mod Triangles reminds me of my mum's furniture. My mum and dad, their parents had very traditional furniture, of course, having been married in the 1910s or 1920s. So mum and dad were really into modern furniture. They kind of rejected all the old traditional furniture. And so when mum was in her first job as a maths teacher, her first pay went towards this wonderful Scandinavian sofa, which had removable cushions, great big square cushions for the seat, and then these triangular cushions that went at the back. And the thing used to fall apart if you slouched or anything. You kind of had to sit on it in a very sort of posh way, you know, with your legs all straight and sitting upright, which was not the way we used to sit as kids. We used to lounge around. So the cushions used to fall off pretty regularly. Anyway, they were a triangular kind of a shape, just cut off a bit at the top. And so Mod Triangles is what makes me think of that. So this block here, I was originally going to make using foundation paper piecing. But having made a couple of units like that, I decided that templates were going to be much better, and so that's the way we're going to make that one. The Love Hearts block really reminds me of going to the sweet shop when I was a kid. If you ever used to get those little tubes of Love Hearts with the messages on, you'll know what I mean. Of course, we all had our favourite sweets, so do tell us in the Facebook group what yours are or were. And then finally, the half square triangle block is really just a little colourful filler. Nice, quick and easy block to make. So I hope you're going to enjoy making the blocks this month, and we will see you at the end of this month with the next set of blocks for the Dolly Mixtures. Have a great time and happy sewing.